Yeah, all of you, today we will learn cleanliness and hygiene. So what is the meaning of cleanliness? Cleanliness means that a place which is very very clean, and hygiene is a correlated term with cleanliness. If there is more cleanliness, then there is more hygiene. If there is less cleanliness, there is less hygiene. Okay, so let's start. Oh, and one thing more, if there is more immunity, then there is less hygiene. And if there is less immunity, then there is more hygiene. Okay, so this I'll explain to you. Very very interesting question. First of all, unclean and dirty places become favorable conditions to germs for growth and spread diseases. Okay, so malaria you can see it takes place in the unclean countries. Okay, so these unclean countries, this have become more favorable to malaria but not to COVID-19. Why? Because they have developed immunity. They have developed immunity. That's why they haven't exposure to COVID-19. Whereas the countries which are very very powerful, very very clean, that countries have developed COVID-19 because they have less immunity. The more you expose yourself to disease, the more immunity will you have. But be careful. Even when you are developing your immunity, at that time also you can die. Why? Because by developing immunity, like you can develop immunity, but sometimes it's very very sad things that one is going to die by such diseases, and his or her body doesn't feed enough to have immunity. Okay, so next, the good practices which we adopt to clean in order to remain disease free and healthy are known as hygiene. So more hygiene, less immunity. Okay, we must take a bath every day. It removes sweat and dirt from our body and help us not to stink. Okay, next, dirty hair causes itchy scalp, dandruff, and attracts lice. And if you have lice, then you have to, my god, it will infect your hair so much and will infect your body also too much. Okay, so wash your hair at least twice a week. Dirt and germs settle easily on nail bodies. When your nails are long, trim your nails every week. So most of you don't do this. Please do this if you don't do this. Now, always wear washed and clean clothes. Clean your cupboards regularly. Cleaning of cupboards, if you don't clean, then there will be cockroaches, which will bring diseases into the houses. So by the help of your parents, you must clean your cupboards. Next, wash your hands before and after eating. Drinking water should be boiled and filtered. That many of you have, but the unprivileged sections of our society do not have that advantage. Okay, though there is many filter water taps in our country that's going on today, but still many of them don't have. Okay, wash your hands before and after eating. Many of you don't do. You must do. Okay, along with personal hygiene, cleanliness of our surroundings is also important. Things in our house should be dusted and cleaned regularly. Okay, so with the help of your parents, and you must also help your parents to dust and clean things regularly. Next is the type of waste that you are having. Waste are of two types: non-biodegradable and biodegradable. Okay, so now biodegradable spelling I am saying biodegradable, and if you add a non before that, you will get non-biodegradable. Okay, next, what are biodegradable waste? Biodegradable waste can be decomposed by microorganisms into simpler compounds, whereas non-biodegradable waste cannot be decomposed. So this is the main difference. Okay, now the best way to manage waste, especially non-biodegradable waste, is the 3 R's. The 3 R's. What are they? First of all, reduce, R1, R2, and recycle, which is R3. Okay, so R1, R2, and R3. You must follow this 3 R's. Okay, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now terms to know. Okay, now I'm showing you some pictures. Okay, now see, hygiene. What can you see in the picture of hygiene? So let me take the date and notation. So what can you see? You have oral hygiene here, you have the shampoo here, you have your soaps here, you have your all your garments over here, you have your, sorry, you can't see, right? Sorry. Comb here, you are having your razors over here, you are having your hand wash over here, you all are having your scented napkins over here, okay, many things, okay. So this is personal hygiene, okay. You must maintain all this to keep clean your personal hygiene. Now let's talk about the definition. The good practices which we adopt to keep clean in order to remain disease free and healthy is known as hygiene or personal hygiene. Next, oral hygiene, taking care of the teeth. You can see, taking care of the teeth and gums. Now see, brushing and piling are the two main categories of oral hygiene. You can see in the picture. Okay, you can take a screenshot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, personal hygiene also you want to take a screenshot? Okay, take a screenshot if you want. Okay, take a screenshot. 1, 2, 3, over. So okay, next one we'll learn about biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Can you see the two pictures? Waste materials that can be broken easily down by microorganisms into simpler substances. This is a biodegradable waste. See, these are rotting, right? And microorganisms are bringing them to an end. But non-biodegradable waste materials that cannot be decomposed by microorganisms and remain for many years, harming the environment. Plastic is one of the non-biodegradable components which harm our environment so much. Okay. Next we have recycling. Now see what, now one special question I will give you. Recycling means treating the waste to give the materials that can be reused. See, reduce means reduce the uses of non-biodegradable resources. Reuse means to reuse the non-biodegradable resources, and recycling means the way that is like it's making suitable for reuse. Okay, that's recycling. Okay, now 5 types of dustbin. That's not in your syllabus, but a special educative purpose I am giving you. Organic, you can see, you have to throw all the organic waste such as vegetables in the green basket. The papers and etc. You have to throw in the sky blue basket. The plastics you have to throw in the yellow basket. The glasses you have to throw in the blue basket, and the metals you have to throw in the red basket. Okay, so this is what I am trying to say. Okay, nothing else, right? Okay, thank you so much. Bye. You can click a picture of this. I will give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, over. Thank you. Bye.